getting back to trucking, my patient, one of my patients, actually decided that he was going to be a trucker after trying so many things. He absolutely loves his job as a trucker. He says it's the greatest thing in the world. You know, just loves it. And he just drives, I think he has one route, yeah, but he loves it, loves all of his time. Yeah, good, just like that. Just move your shoulders around a little bit, please. Just like that. Cool, excellent. Good. Just trying to go a little bit further. Good. After years and years driving a truck, and this is when the seats were not that good, right? The seats now in big trucks are really pretty good. But
oh yeah, they're like $18,000.
They're like $18,000 seats, right? But
Yeah,
they didn't used to be. So I used to see these truckers that would come in, and from all the bouncing and all the springs from the seats, and the seats not being very, very good, their necks would actually fuse up from the constant compression of going up, of hitting bumps and things on the road. Yeah, take your arm. Just going to stretch out the shoulder joint a little bit. Good. Good. Stretch it out. Try to look forward a little bit if you don't mind. Good. You okay?
Yeah.
Good. 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 Bring it right back here. Awesome. So just take this arm, just go like that for a minute. All right, just this one. Then I'm going to ask you to pull your elbow back in a second. Okay? And relax. Let's try the other side. Try it to the same. Go back. And relax. Okay? Relax your arms a little bit. Just relax the shoulder. Just trying to open up your shoulder capsule a little bit. Good. A little crunchy in there. Right? A little crunchy. Come right over here. Just going to let it drop just like that. Hold on. Just let it relax. Just going to come into the joint a little bit. Yeah, that's it. Nice and crunchy. Sounds like you got cereal in there. Let it drop. Let that drop completely. Same thing. There we go. And try to come in. Good. And relax inside here. Cool.
Yeah, I started dieting.
Did you?
Yeah, it's been a year. I started with the intermittent fasting.
What do you think about that?
Oh my god.
What's
so
wrong?
good for you.
Very good for you, right?
Very good for you.
Yeah, absolutely.
I think everybody should do it.
How many hours do you fast?
12.
12 hours?
Yeah.
So you stop eating at what
7.
time? 7?
Oh no, 12.
Yeah.
16 hours.
16 hours, yeah.
I think sometimes to 11.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah, sometimes
Okay.
to 12, sometimes to 1. It depends.
Yeah.
But then, for some reason, it's like my body got adjusted to it, so I wasn't getting any benefits out of it.
Really?
So I started, what I did was I cut out all my carbs. Not all my carbs,
Okay.
but a lot of it.
Okay. All right, swing this leg right over here. Bring it right over there. Cool. Move up all the way. So what you got to do?
I got the most appearance effects from lowering my carbs.
Absolutely.
Yeah, it burns fat.
Absolutely.
It works.
You got to amp up your protein as well. So
Yeah.
one secret you can do is if after you come off your 16-hour fast, your first meal should be a protein fat meal, or a high fat meal, even better. Even better.
The keto route.
Exactly. Cross your arms here and bring the other one underneath. Cool. Grab your shoulders. I want you to breathe in really deep. All the way out. Rotate left. Good. Just like that. Good. Bring this underneath. You want to rotate the opposite way. All the way out. There you go. That's all. Good. Just relax your hands. And this comes underneath. Grab your shoulders if you can. Let's try to get that lowered back a little bit. Head's going to come down. All right? All right, we're going to try to do 2 adjustments here. We're going to breathe in really deep, lean back a little bit. We're going to get that lower back a little bit. Good, that was it. Again, breathe in, all the way out. Let it go, a little more. Good, come back here. Awesome, awesome. Relax your hands. Nice. Come lay face down on the table.
I
Head right
think
over.
chiropractic, people come just for the adjustment. I come in as a total,
Right.
you know,
Total package.
the whole
Lifestyle.
lifestyle.
There's some people that use it as a lifestyle.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Absolutely. I mean, I got people that have come in here for years, 20 years. I'm doing this 29, 30 years. Yeah, I think I've got some people that have been coming here for 20 years. Good. There we go. Awesome. Just gonna do a little bit of massage in the lower back just to loosen up a bit, okay? Cool. I think intermittent fasting is like one of the greatest things. You know, doing a 16-hour fast. Sometimes, you know what, if that's not working well, go to an 18-hour fast. And if that's not working, then definitely...
The autophage?
Yeah, absolutely.
You ever did that?
Absolutely.
How is that?
I think it's great. I think
How
it's
many
great.
hours does it get into autophage?
How many hours?
Yeah.
It's
I've heard mixed. I've heard 12, I heard 18, I heard 36.
usually like 16 to 20. Yeah, but I think it works well. I really do. Can I take these off?
Yeah.
Awesome. Relax your legs a little bit. Just going to hit the bottom plantar. My whole family does intermittent fasting.
Oh, it's great.
Everybody. That's what we do. Just by habit. Seems to work really well.
Yeah.
Try not to do too much snacking, but when we eat, we eat. Yep, we eat.
Good in the kitchen.
Absolutely. And just relax your leg. Okay, let's see how we're doing here. And just relax, a little short on that right side today. You know, with a little twist in the pelvis. All right. So what I'd like you to do is just take this side, this thigh, lift it up a little bit, straight up, and right back down, right there. Good. Just want to see where to hit. One more time, lift up. That's better. Cool. Just relax a little bit. Just gonna hit the pelvis. Awesome. Let's check this side. Lift up that side as well. Right back down. Right there. Right there. Lift up one more time. Better. Thank you. Just right there. Just going to hit your lower back a little bit. You okay?
Good.
Good. Excellent. Good. breathe in for me really deep. And out. Let it go. Good, good. I'm going to go a little bit lower. Breathe in again. And out. Here we go. Good. Excellent. Right there. All right, and just relax a bit. Just going to lean your head to the side a bit. Good. Come back here. A little bit more. Good. Perfect. Good. Yep. One more time. Breathe in again. Out. And just let it go. A little more. Perfect. That's it. Excellent. Come lay down right on your back face up, please. Bend the other knee. Squeeze them together hard. Good. Separate, separate. Good. Let that drop. And just relax this leg. Nice, nice. Just going to bend the knee a little bit. And then the hip. Let the hip drop down. A little bit more. We'll go a little more. Any more in there? Okay. That's all right.
My father worked on his feet till he was 82.
Did you really?
Got big butts enough now.
That's why you guys have such powerful.
Genetic.
That's why you got powerful squats.
I have no choice.
It's called compressed musculature.
And then his father was a farmer. His grandfather was a farmer.
Yeah.
And on up.
So I don't know if you ever, you know a guy named Arnold Schwarzenegger, right?
Yeah.
Obviously, okay. He used to train. Relax. Good. He used to train with a guy named Franco Columbu.
Yeah.
You remember Franco Columbu?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Unfortunately, he died. You know he was a chiropractor, right?
No, I didn't know that.
Yeah, a lot of people didn't know that he was a chiropractor.
Get it? He never even told me, but I've read a lot of this stuff.
Yeah. So Franco Columbu was half the size of Arnold Schwarzenegger, as you probably know, right? I think he was like 5'1" or something like that. Incredible, incredible body. He was the strongest guy. He actually was he was in the Olympics. A lot of people don't know that for his country.
I didn't know that either.
I don't know what country it was. I don't think it was Turkey, but I know it was
Who?
Franco Columbu.
Oh.
Yeah. I don't know. I don't think it was Greece. I'm not really sure, right? But
Argentina?
no, it might have
Brazil?
been. Might have been Estonia. I'm not sure, but that was very, very powerful. And he used to train with Arnold. And did you know that he was actually, not a little bit, but he was much stronger than Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Yeah, I heard.
Much
You know
stronger.
what they used to do?
Yeah.
They used to take.
Cars.
No, they used to stove, food, gallons of wine, and I don't know how many plates. I don't want to lie. A bar and 245s or 445s. They go
Yes.
up into the mountains in the morning
Yes,
and just do one exercise from morning to night.
I believe that.
They'd stop. They'd cook dinner or cook lunch,
Yeah.
drink some wine, and go right back.
Yeah, these guys are powerful.
They either did chest, shoulders, arms, but the one exercise from morning to night.
The whole day.
Yeah, up in
That's-
the mountains.
That's the way they used to train.
Yeah.
Put your head a little bit. That's exactly the way they used to train. Yeah. These guys are powerful. These guys are like
How,
mutants.
how should I keep my
You can
hands?
put them on the side or right over here if you want. That's cool. Right, that's fine. Just make yourself wherever you feel is most comfortable. Good. And just relax a little bit. Pressure in this first, so you feel that. Right, so you just feel that. Good. Okay, just breathe in really deep if you can. That's it. Just kind of let that go. Just a little bit. That's it.
Oh,
Yep, that's it. Relax, 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 relax. Right, just breathe nice and easy. Good. And here. And then here. How'd that feel?
good.
Awesome. Slide up towards me a little bit. Slide up.
It went about
Come up this way. Right there. Just
a little bit lower than the right here.
Nice, nice.
Right here.
Awesome. When was it decompress that neck? That's important,
Mhm.
you know? That's where you hold there's a lot of compression on your spine. And that's the lower part of your neck. All right. Good, just like that. Just gonna stretch. And open up all the way to the end. A little more. Good. Wow. Wow. How'd that feel?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Inside here. Good. Just gonna put a big stretch in here. There we go, right all the way to the end. A little bit more, good.
Yeah. It's so odd. It's like you feel like before, it's like, oh, this is not right. But then after you do it, it's like, oh, okay, good, thank God.
I never heard it put that way.
Yeah.
I never heard it put that way. That's great. If you're new to the channel, then just click below and you can subscribe and you'll get new videos sent to your email box every single week. If you like these videos, please support my channel. I really appreciate those people that support me through things like PayPal and Patreon and also sponsoring individual videos. You know what, I really couldn't make these videos without you guys, so I thank you so much. So I'll talk to you soon. I'll check you out next week.